Hi there, I'm Peter Wolfkamp, resident builder, and welcome to my cottage, my little project. This is a 1905, approximately 95 square metre cottage that when we bought it was in a fairly sorry state. And I guess it's a classic example of a house that without proper care and attention over a period of time, they really do end up looking quite neglected. So what we've had to do with this house has been to, well, basically we've done everything from the floor, we've done some repiling, we've done a lot of strengthening, we've put some insulation right throughout the house, I've put a new roof on it, and I've worked on those bits of the house that you don't see. So we ended up stripping out all of the electrical, replacing all of the wiring inside the house, and essentially replacing the distribution board. In doing the research for this, we can become complacent and think that we know everything, right? But the fact is there's new technology coming all of the time. And I know from my own experience and having lived in this area that house fires do happen, and they are often caused by a spark created from an electrical circuit. So the fact that there are now devices that you can readily install into your existing distribution board to ensure that that doesn't happen, to me seems like a really sensible solution to a problem that we kind of all know about. So that's been a real good discovery for me. And ultimately, yes, I want to protect this house, but more importantly, I want to protect whoever's living in it.
Having lost my father when I was younger to an electrical accident, we're pretty passionate about electrical safety, and the opportunity to put these new arc fault protection devices in that offer extra protection against fire and protects the property as well was a really good experience for us. I know as electricians we can be creatures of habit, and installing a new device can be a little bit daunting, but trust me, it was really easy to install these, and given the extra added protection that it gives your clients, I think it's well worthwhile. One of the main things to note is that you do require extra space in your switchboard. So to make sure that you allow it at the planning stage when you're talking to your clients about going through with arc fault protection.